Hey guys, so this week's theme on YouTube Sisters is Advice Week. Now, my voice, again, I've said this in a video before, probably sounds really weird. I have this thing in at the dentist, and, well, not the dentist, the orthodontics, and it gives me a lisp, and my voice sounds really weird, but I can't do anything about it. It got taken out and then I had to have it put back in, which was really exciting. Note the sarcasm in my voice. And I also got braces, if you haven't noticed already, so yeah. Just thought I'd address the elephant in the room. So this week's theme is Advice Week. I was gonna give it a miss this week because my voice sounds so strange, but then I was like, I don't want to miss another week of uploading because I've been really bad with that lately, so I'm just gonna have to deal with my strange voice. I thought that I would do sort of internet advice. It probably won't actually help you, but if you're sort of new to the world of social media or whatever, then here's some advice. 1. If you do not already have Facebook, do not get Facebook. It's probably the most pointless, annoying social media site that exists. It's just basically where people rant about their lives and do it in a very vague way, which is just quite annoying, and people want likes on their profile pictures, which gives you absolutely no validation whatsoever, but there you go. Don't get Facebook. It's just not worth your time. 2. Don't use hashtags. Now, I'm not saying to cut them out completely because, I mean, yeah, use them every once in a while, but specifically on Instagram, don't post 100 hashtags. It's so annoying. You see people and they post a selfie and they tag a million things that have nothing to do with it. They'll be like, hashtag selfie, hashtag follow for follow, hashtag like, hashtag summer. What? No, don't do it. Don't make that mistake. Post 1 or 2 hashtags, but no more than that. I think a lot of people use them ironically as well, but don't get too into them. 3. Don't get into fights on the internet. When people just on Facebook arguing with people in the comments, and it's just so embarrassing. You're gonna look back at that in a couple of years and you'd be like, what the hell? And also it's there for everybody to see, so everyone can laugh at your little argument. Number 4, don't get Tumblr. It will ruin your life and productivity. It will also introduce you to fandoms, which it might seem like a nice thing, but when you get too into them, it's a dangerous territory. Don't mess with the fandoms. Don't mess with Tumblr. Just don't. If you don't already have it, unless you want to ruin your life, just stay away. Don't fall into the black hole that is Tumblr. And finally, an actual proper one is, it might sound a bit strange, use it wisely, because the internet, if we didn't have it, it would probably be like, oh my god, what is going on? Because it's just used in a good way a lot of the time. How would you go to concerts? You'd have to actually, I don't know, go to venues and watch someone that you didn't even know, just so that you could actually find someone to listen to. You can't do anything without the internet these days. You can't talk to people. You'd have to actually go to their house. I know, I'll ring them, but who rings people anymore? Not me. I don't ring people. I just text. You can text without internet. It's just it's not a very nice place, but it's also a nice place because I don't know how to explain it. It's just you can do whatever you want on the internet, and you can look up anything you want. Like, imagine trying to do your homework with no internet. I know, you have to go to the library and root through all the books. I don't know. Use it for good purposes. I don't even know what I'm saying. That is it for the video. I'm probably going to want to punch myself in the face while I'm editing because this stupid thing is really annoying, and it's cutting into my cheek, so yay. I've got to have it for 2 months and my brace is there for like 2 years, so just gonna have to get used to that. But yeah, that's it for the video. I hope it helped, or I hope you enjoyed it. Sorry for the lack of uploads. Hopefully that will improve. But yeah, I'm gonna go now and I will see you next week. Bye. Hey guys, so this week's theme on YouTube Sisters is playlist. I don't know when I started this if I was like intending for it to become a series, but it kind of